Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and tips to make your online experiences smoother. Today, we're tackling how to add a Groupon gift card in 2025. With Groupon's updates this year, adding a gift card is easier than ever, helping you snag those deals without a hitch. Whether it's a gift from a friend or a reward you've earned, let's get you set up in just a few simple steps. First things first, grab your device and open the Groupon app or head to the website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, take a second to sign in or create one. It's super quick and secure. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon in the top right corner. Look for the Payments or Gift Cards section. Groupon has streamlined this for 2025, so it should be right there. Now, click on Add Gift Card or something similar. You'll be prompted to enter your gift card details. This includes the gift card code, which is typically a long string of letters and numbers found on the back of your card. Double check for any PIN if required, and make sure to enter it accurately to avoid any errors. After you input the code, hit Apply or Redeem. Groupon will verify the card. This might take a few seconds. If everything's good, you'll see a confirmation message, and the balance will be added to your account. Pro tip: if you run into any issues, like an invalid code, check the expiration date or contact Groupon support through their help center. They're pretty responsive, and that's it. You're all set to start shopping with your Groupon gift card. This process is designed to be user-friendly, saving you time for what really matters: scoring amazing discounts. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy deal hunting.